Clicking on this button is the first thing to do. Simply copying this URL is the second step, and starting to make money is the third. You earn money and can get paid $600 instantly. You don't have to sell anything. You don't need technical expertise. You don't need a website. You don't need followers. And most significantly, you don't have to wait because the process is rapid and cost-free. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a free account and start earning your first $600 right away without having to make a financial commitment. Of course, every country in the world can use this tactic. I'll give you something special and exclusive if you watch this video all the way through. You may make an extra $600 if you get this bonus, so make sure not to miss out on it. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Visit the website I'll be demonstrating today, digistore24.com. Before we start the video, when you create a free account, you get access to their marketplace where you can browse a variety of deals and items that you may promote with a single click. However, you must watch this video first before going to the website, since failing to do so would leave you perplexed and prohibit you from making any money. When you click promote, as you can see below, you can copy your unique promo URL to use when you share it online. You will continue to generate money whenever people click on it and subsequently purchase any of the goods on this website. As you can see, signing up for our website is totally free. I'll walk you through the entire enrollment procedure on the Digistore24 website so you can start making money there. You can see that this is somewhat difficult and complicated, but I'll walk you through it all in this video, so make sure to watch it all the way through. Visit your Digistore24 account after viewing this video a second time. Then click the marketplace option at the top of the website. You will be directed to a page with more than 200 offers and goods that you may advertise and get paid for. The fact that you don't need any experience or specialized knowledge to apply this method makes it highly special. After watching this video, I'll reveal a little known technique that will enable you to start earning your first $500. As an illustration, consider the health and exercise program, Medicore. Selling this program might bring in an average income of $200 and an 85% commission. The second illustration is Wesley's Overnight Millionaire, a book worth $1 billion with an average sale price of $42 and a 93% commission. On this page, I could demonstrate countless things to you, but that would make it impossible for you to sell and make money online. I'll start with the first extra recommendation to boost your earnings. When you first enter the market, use these down arrows to select Sort by Earnings, Sale by clicking. The products with the highest earnings and highest commissions for you to advertise will then be displayed by Digistore24 as it filters all the results for you. Take a look at the YT Affiliate Profit Course offering, where you can see that they pay 50% of the commission and an average of $300 in earnings. If you simply make 2 sales per day, which is exactly what I want to demonstrate in this video, you may potentially earn $600 per day even though you can typically make $300 from a single transaction. Create a free account first in order to access this link. Return to Digistore24's main page to access the page. Simply click the blue Sign Up Free button. Make sure to choose Affiliate in the first section of the sign up form, since our goal is to earn commissions online. Enter your email address, pick a password, and choose your time zone to begin. They practically welcome users from everywhere in the world, as you can see. Therefore, you may enter any username you like right here, and they will automatically assist you in creating your individual affiliate links. You can make money by promoting any of the items on this website using those links. Your name, address, and other personal information are the only fields you must complete. After selecting your nation and time zone, while scrolling down, click this button to register for free after accepting the terms and conditions. After successfully creating your account, you should automatically receive your exclusive affiliate link when you click the Promote Now option. This is your promotional link, and like previously, anyone who clicks it will be directed to the official website for the YT Affiliate Profit course. As you can see, when individuals visit the website, watch the video, examine all the sales materials, and ultimately decide to make the buy. Let's imagine that I click on this link and it gets me to this page. As you can see, they will receive $500 if they click this button and purchase this item. If you receive 50% of the commission, you may make $300 on average. You could make $513 a day if you can simply make 2 sales. I'll now show you how to advertise this product. Now, when you go to reddit.com, which is a discussion forum where users upload virtual films, photographs, or link and ask questions about a range of topics, you can search using particular keywords to find the greatest prospects for your promotion. Now that people are genuinely taught how to make money on YouTube with this particular product, finding people who are actively looking to make money online is necessary if you want to advertise it effectively. Go to Reddit and enter a keyword there to do this. For instance, you can just click the search button to find out how can I make money online. They will then direct you to this page where they will display all of the search results. Simply scroll down to find numerous posts with queries being posed by readers. You can see that I have created a copy and paste template that you can use to submit them right here on Reddit. These are the top 5 best ways to make money online for free, and you can view it here. Reddit Make Money Online post. You're going to do something next, which is to provide some free value, which they're highly interested in making money online. You wish to demonstrate various free internet money-making strategies to them. Imagine that clicking on this article on how to generate money online will direct me to this page. The majority of the time you'll discover that many people are posting meaningless random answers. There are relatively few answers, as you can see above, and people don't particularly enjoy it. However, it would be fantastic if you could offer a really strong and helpful response. As you can see below from number 1 to number 5, if you answer people's queries and literally show them all the free advice and useful information about how to make money online, you'll gain a lot of trust. People will like and comment on your content as a result, which will raise engagement. This approach is also fairly straightforward. To start, copy this response and simply put it into as many posts as you can. This will result in a significant increase in free traffic, readership of our responses, and value for everyone. Next, we'll apply this technique to generate revenue by including a link. As you can see, advanced training to make money. So we'll copy and paste our affiliate link into this column, and we only need to do that for each and every technique. I'll also show them this link, which will lead them to another page with more training on how to generate money online at the completion of every approach. Because you give value first and only offer them some guidance on how to make money online, people are more likely to click through them. You can make another $300 if someone visits this page via one of your affiliate links and decides to buy something. With 2 sales, you can easily make $600. Therefore, all you have to do to copy this script is to just highlight it in its entirety and then click the copy button. Simply go back to Reddit, find as many of these posts as you can, and use the comment features to add our script to each and every one of them. After I finish responding to all of these articles, you might actually alter the keywords to something else like, how can I be paid online? When people ask and look for answers to questions, how can I be paid online? You can literally search on more posts and provide them the answers there for free. Simply add your affiliate links at the end to utilize this strategy again and again to advertise whatever offers you want on Digistore24. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.